Wait, don't blink. This tiny creature can invade your rice without you even noticing. Here are 5 shocking facts about weevils. Fact 1. Their long snout works like a built-in drill, perfect for piercing grains. Fact 2. They secretly thrive in stored food like rice, flour, pasta, and oats. Fact 3. Despite their creepy look, they're completely harmless to humans. Fact 4. Females lay their eggs inside a single grain, hidden from sight. And Fact 5. A simple 48-hour freeze can wipe out the entire infestation. Amazing, right? Tiny, but full of surprises.